Guangdong Genial Technology Co Ltd was established in 2001. We are a national high-tech enterprise specializing in the R&D, production, and sales of digital thermometer, infrared thermometer, blood pressure monitor, oximeter, nebulizer, respirator, tents, cupping set, and other healthcare management devices. Genial has been successfully honored as Class A medical device manufacturer of Guangdong Province and Intellectual Property Advantages Enterprise. Yet a medical technology research institute and postdoctoral workshop has been set up as well. With 45,000 square meters omni-channel production plant and smart AI production lines, Genial is able to fulfill your order from 0 to 1, from R&D, prototyping, manufacturing to delivering one-stop service. Genial brand products can be delivered within 24 hours, while OEM products only take 3 to 7 days, which helps you win market share quickly. So far, we won 173 intellectual property certificates. Our products have been approved by CE, NMPA, FDA, CB, FCC, RoHS, REACH, etc. Our company has been also certified by ISO 13485, ISO 14001, ISO 45001, and GBT 29490 certificates, as well as amfori BSCI. Customer satisfied, we value added is always our core value. With excellent product quality and after-sales service, we will spare no effort to serve you. Your visit and cooperation are warmly welcome.